after 3 years of uploading, and after more than 152 episodes, it finally happened. This channel is now monetized. So, paano nangyari yun? In this episode, ikikwento ko sa inyo. But the more important question is, magkano na ang kinita so far ever since I got monetized? Abangan nyo yan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung eksaktong number. And here in this tab, this is where it tells you kung magkano na yung estimated revenue. And the number is... Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video. This is King Solomon Craft Beer, brewed, bottled, and canned by Santa Maria Brewery. Meron din silang dalawa pang brand of craft beers na ginagawa. They also have Montalban Craft Beer at saka yung Pablo Craft Beer. Yung Montalban Craft Beer, you can get it from a place called Coco Mountain Resort. Pwede kayong mag-rent ng overnight cottages, and of course, may mga swimming pools. Malalaki yung swimming pools nila. And in that resort, nandun mismo yung brewery nila. And then the other one, yung Pablo Craft Beer, you can get it from Pablo Bar and Restaurant, also in Rizal. And then this one naman, yung King Solomon Craft Beer, ito yung beer brand na binibenta nila outside Rizal. So the brewer and owner gave me these cans. So this beer is 6% alcohol by volume, and it's classified as pale ale. Habang pinag-uusapan natin yung topic, inumin natin ito. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, mas dark siya than the usual pale ale. And also the smell, it's very strong. Cheers guys. Thank you, King Solomon Craft Beer, for this. Oh, that's very good. Can't believe this is pale ale because it almost feels like IPA. The flavors is very intense and very strong. Ang sarap. I like it. Tikman nyo guys. Cheers. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, back to the main topic. A little bit of a backstory, no? I started this channel in November 2021. Little bit more than 3 years ago. Hello, this is the Clueless Bartender. And today, magte-testing tayo ng isang beer galing sa isang microbrewery. Back then, hindi ko alam ang ginagawa ko. I just wanted to start something. I just wanted to start a YouTube channel. I did not know where it was going. Ang alam ko lang is, wala lang. Gusto ko lang i-record at gusto ko lang i-document yung mga iniinom ko. And during that time, nagkaroon lang ako ng mga around 10-20 subscribers. Masayang-masaya na ako because I never thought anyone would be interested. And then yung mga views nun was around, averaging of around mga 50 to 100 views. During that time, the first year, makalampas lang ako ng 100 views. Masaya na ako. Because ang gusto ko lang naman is gumawa ng videos at uminom ng mga alcoholic drinks. Dalawang craft beer ang tetestingin natin today. One is called Love Lager and the other one is called Pink Summer Ale. The growth was so slow. Pero alam ko na nun na to be able to get monetized, there are two key numbers na kailangan mong ma-hit. The first one is you have to have 1,000 subscribers. And the second number that you have to hit is you have to have 4,000 watch time. 4,000 oras dapat yung accumulation ng mga nanonood sa'yo. And that time, that was an impossible task for me. During the first year, I didn't even reach 200 subscribers yata. And yung watch hours ko was less than 100 watch hours. So, naisip ko, imposible talaga mangyari yun. But, that did not stop me. Kasi, as I said, I was just enjoying what I was doing. The numbers, the targets are there, pero hindi ko talaga siya gino-goal na makuha. So therefore, I just kept on going. I kept on posting regularly. Makaabot lang ako, let's say, ng 500 views. Masayang-masaya na ako nun. To me, that was already the high score, kumbaga. Sometimes nga, yung mga views, hindi umaakyat ng more than 50. Pero okay lang, hindi ako nadi-discourage kasi I still know that at least people are still watching. And the average watch time nun, hours per video, maabot lang ng mga 5 to 7 watch hours. Ganun lang kakonte, ganun lang kaliit. And it seems so minuscule if you compare it to the total target of 4,000 watch hours. After a year or so, umabot na ng 450 yung watch hours ko, the watch time. And yung subscribers, umabot na ng 240 plus. So, I was feeling a bit impatient. Nagkaroon ako ng ganong time na impatient na, ano ba, para saan ba itong ginagawa ko? Is it still worth doing this thing? But then I thought, why would you stop? If you're enjoying what you're doing. So, I just kept on going. Hindi ako tumigil. Not thinking about the numbers. At least trying not to think about the numbers. Now, hindi naman lahat ng video mabababa yung views. Meron ding mga pailan-ilang episodes na mataas ang views. Like for example, there's this episode where umabot ng nasa around 5,000 views. 7,000 views na siya ngayon. And those kinds of videos, it was very rare. Out of more than 150 episodes, mabibilang ko lang na around, let's say, 15 episodes lang doon ang umabot ng more than 1,000 views. The subscriber number is a bit easier to achieve. Kasi nung around second year number 2, na-achieve ko na yung 1,000 subscribers. Yung watch hour, yun talaga yung napakabagal ng pag-andar. So fast forward to last year, late 2024, I was not even close to half of that 4,000 watch hours. It was around 900 watch hours pa lang during that time. December of 2024. Pero okay lang. Again, hindi ako nadi-discourage. I just thought I'd continue doing it habang nag-enjoy pa ako sa paggawa ng videos. And I was already thinking about kung ano yung mga gagawin ko sa 2025. And then suddenly, almost overnight, everything changed. This year, at exactly January 1, 2025, I hit the target 4,000 watch hours. And it was totally unexpected because it was due to just one single episode. It was this video. Today is December 19, 2024. And in about 10 days, this place will close forever. So this episode, I posted this December 19, 2024. It was one of those episodes na wala lang, hindi ko pinagplanuhan. I did not even think kung ano yung magiging laman nung episode na yun, nung video na yun. I just impromptu shot the video, edited it as fast as I can, and then uploaded it the same night. Nung una, mabagal yung pag-accumulate ng views niya eh. Just like the other episodes. Usually, ang behavior ng episode is aakyat ang views niyan. And then after a couple of days, magpa-plateau na, magfa-flat na yan. Na-reach niya na yung peak niya and then it will die off na. Hindi na aakyat yung views. But this video kept on gaining views and watch hours. Hindi siya nag-plateau. So nagulat ako and I was excited to watch the behavior and the performance of that video. I was so excited to watch the views accumulate and more importantly, to engage, makipag-usap at makipag-chat dun sa mga commenters dun sa video. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, malampasan ko lang yung previous highest views ko na 7,000. Masaya na ako. But then it kept on growing and growing and growing. Each day, padagdag ng padagdag yung views. And yung pagdagdag niya ng views is ang lalaki ng difference. 1,000 views a day, 2,000 views a day. It kept on growing. Finally, nung nalampasan niya yung 7,000 views, the highest view count of any of my video that time, I said, oh my God, masaya na ako, okay na, kampante na ako. 8,000 views, 10,000 views. And then it kept on growing. Packet na packet yung mga milestones. And each milestone, it gets closer and closer to the 4,000 watch hours. So finally, it happened. 4,000 watch hours, watch time. And the email that every YouTuber has been waiting for and has been salivating about finally came. That email that said, congratulations, your channel is now monetized. That was January 1, 2025. Cut to today, Today is February 1, 2025. And it's exactly 1 month after that happened. So, the question you've all been waiting for, and probably the reason why you clicked this video. That question is, magkano na? Magkano na ang kinita mo ever since na na-monetize yung channel mo? I will show you. But first, let's look at some of the other important numbers. Look at this. The subscriber today after more than 3 years is 1,749 subscribers. Yung total number of views for the entire channel is 332,000 views so far. Okay? And then the watch time, ito yung watch time. Remember the requirement para ma-monetize is 4,000 watch hours. Now it sits at 8,200 watch hours. And here in this tab, this is where it tells you kung magkano na yung estimated revenue ng channel so far. And the number is $10.49. $10.49. More than 150 videos. I got $10.49. It's very exciting. It really is very exciting for me. That's something that I never thought would happen 3 years ago when I started this channel. And before I forget, guys, I'd like to thank each and everyone na nag-subscribe, na nag-like, na nag-comment for the past 3 years. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi naman mag-grow ng ganito yung channel ko. Although it's still a tiny channel compared to all of the other channels na nag-exist sa YouTube. I'm very thankful that you are there. I'm very thankful na may nanonood, na may nakikinig, at may nag-engage, may nagko-comment, may nagda-like, at may nagsusubscribe. Or kung ayaw mo naman mag-subscribe, okay lang naman. I'm not forcing you. But ang request ko lang sa'yo is to like this video. Hit the like button down below. Thank you for doing that. This one is for you. Cheers, everyone. Magkano ang $10.49? That's roughly around 612 pesos. 612 pesos after 3 years. It's not much. It's tiny. That's almost nothing if you compare it to all of the time and the effort na nilagay ko sa paggawa ng mga episodes na yan. Kung iisipin mo, is it worth it? For me, the answer is absolutely. Because it's not about the monetary reward. To me, the $10, it's not about the money. Para sa akin, it's more of a symbolic yung significance ng number na yun eh. Because what that tells me is to just keep on going. To just keep on doing what you love. Do not quit. That number is just a number. It's symbolic. Hindi importante sa akin yan. Maybe eventually, in the future, it will be bigger. But at this point, I'm just so happy that it's there. I'm rewarded not by the amount of dollars, but rather the validation that I received. It's something that tells me na, hey, meron palang pupuntahan or meron palang patutunguhan yung ginagawa mo. So, for me, para sa inyo, my advice to you is, don't stop doing what you're doing. Enjoy making videos. Be yourself. Be natural. Be authentic. And more importantly, huwag kang mag-stop. Kasi eventually, mahihit mo rin yung isang single video that will make you monetized. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you wanna watch the full episode that made this channel finally monetized, click right here, this video, this episode. Cheers. See you in the next episode.